Hello everyone and welcome back here on this Tuesday afternoon. We're going to jump right in and skip a few days. We're looking ahead to Friday, a first alert weather day from your first alert storm team. We're looking at the potential for some wintry mix and some wind after a couple of days that are going to be above average. So we don't want this to catch you off guard. So here's what we know. The timing. Things will get going late Thursday and continue through Friday. Wind is going to be blustery. Gusts over 30 miles per hour will be possible. And we know that this is not a major winter storm. Want to emphasize that this is not going to be a big system that's going to bring a ton of snow, but impacts to travel are going to be possible. A couple of things that are still a little bit murky. We're still several days out here. The model guidance, different forecast models show slightly different tracks, and we don't know entirely who is going to see entirely rain, who's going to see entirely snow, because our temperature profile is going to be close to, if not even a little bit above freezing. And will we have much snow accumulation? A lot of it might melt on contact. So here's what we're looking at. This is Thursday night. We'll start to see this wave move in, bringing some areas first of rain. And then overnight transition to a little bit of snow. Again, temperatures are going to play a huge role here where that rain snow line kind of sets up. This continues to slide through into our Friday afternoon. So Friday morning travel looking to be a little tricky in spots. Same thing for lunchtime travel as well, and possibly even into the evening travel if things aren't cleared up in time. Now that was the European model that we just looked at there, showing that kind of band of precipitation moving through. Meanwhile, the American model pushes it a little bit further north and a little bit more confined, not as widespread. So still a bit of discrepancy, but we are looking at wintry mix. We are looking at travel impacts. We are looking at wind. For today, we're looking at fog. Visibility is 6 miles here in Fargo, 27 degrees. Moorhead currently at 25, light southwest winds. Visibility only around a mile in Grand Forks, currently 23 degrees. Zero visibility still in Langdon and Cando, only a quarter mile in Devil's Lake, but that dense fog advisory from the National Weather Service has dropped off about 15 minutes ago at noon. Visibility is a bit better in parts of the Southern Valley, though not perfect. Temperatures generally in the 20s at this hour, a little warmer out to the west where we've got a couple of 30s. 33 in Jamestown, 32 in Oaks, 38 in Minot. We've got a warm front approaching from the west. It's going to move in late. But for our afternoon, some areas of lingering fog, high temperatures in the 30s. Here comes that warm front tonight. Temperatures are going to reach their bottom right around 9, 10 o'clock and then start to warm up overnight with that southerly wind. Can't rule out isolated sprinkle or two. Mild and breezy to start our day. Winds picking up out of the south, temperatures in the 30s to start. And by the afternoon, we are looking at 40s and low 50s. So looking like a really nice day for our Wednesday. Thursday looking pretty good too, ahead of our first alert weather day. Another shot of light snow. Bobby comes on Monday. Temperatures still remaining above average.
Yeah, so definitely focusing on that first alert weather day for Friday, but how about those 50s Wednesdays and Thursdays?
So good.
At least that's always kind of, I feel like, nice to see right before a first alert weather day, rather than just being miserable, and then even more miserable.
Very true.
Yeah, Summer. Thanks.